How to clear all Instagram search suggestion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all Instagram search suggestion. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And here, once you are in your search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top. And here you will see all your recent search history. So just tap on see all, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And on the next page, you can see the option labeled as clear all on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on that. And once you have cleared all your past search history, it will remove all the Instagram search suggestion. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.